Sushi. It's the most popular Japanese food, and sushi restaurants are popping up all over the world. As a Japanese person, I often find the authenticity questionable.
You see it? It's sour cream on sushi.
And the way these restaurants operate is usually quite different from what we have in Japan. In this video, I'll show you what a typical sushi restaurant is like in Japan, especially conveyor belt sushi. I chose conveyor belt sushi because nowadays many parts of the process are automated, which can be confusing for tourists. If you're planning to visit Japan, watching this video will help you avoid accidentally not paying for some food, or worse, burning yourself with boiling water. Curious how that could happen? Let's find out. One big difference between sushi restaurants abroad and in Japan is that outside Japan, sushi is usually considered a fancy meal. Of course, Japan has plenty of high-end sushi restaurants too, but the variety here is much wider. And the conveyor belt sushi is usually an affordable, family-friendly option. Despite the low price, thanks to Japan's fresh seafood, the quality is still excellent. It's a great choice for tourists who want authentic sushi without spending a fortune. There are many conveyor belt sushi chains in Japan. For this video, we went to one of the most popular ones, Sushi, or Kurazushi in Japanese. On this day, I was joined by a special guest visiting from the Netherlands, Simon. Are you excited for the sushi?
Oh, definitely, yes.
Yeah? One unique feature of conveyor belt sushi in Japan is how automated everything is to save labor and improve efficiency. At Sushi, for example, there is a machine at the entrance where you enter the number of people in a group and your seating preference. Then you simply wait until your number is called.
Yeah.
Have you tried conveyor belt sushi restaurant before?
Yes, a few times in Tokyo, but that's a long time ago, so
Okay.
I'm very excited. It's my first sushi in Japan for this trip, and I'm here already for 2 months.
Once your number appears on the screen, you get another ticket showing your table number. Another ticket.
So we have
21. After finding your table and sitting down, you are free to start ordering. There are two ways to order at a conveyor belt sushi restaurant in Japan. The first, and probably the most fun, is to take dishes directly from the conveyor belt as they pass by. Not only sushi, but also side dishes and desserts appears on the belt, so you can grab whatever catches your eye.
This is chawanmushi, my favorite.
The second way is to order from the touchscreen at your table. This is especially useful if you already know what you want or if you want to order several items at once. For example, at the start of your meal, or if you want to browse all the options. Most displays have an English menu, so it's easy to see exactly what you're ordering.
Oh, this extra fatty with sauce.
This is the best one, yeah. But should we order later because it's just the beginning?
The dessert.
Yeah. Because this is like the best one,
Okay.
That's one of the great things about conveyor belt sushi. Most dishes are so affordable that you can try lots of different kinds, including high-quality sushi like fatty tuna. At Sushi, food you order via touchscreen is delivered on a separate conveyor belt, which is a lot faster. Most conveyor belt sushi restaurants in Japan have a hot water faucet at each table, so you need to be careful. This faucet only releases boiling water, which could burn you if you use it for the wrong purpose, like washing your hands. It's actually meant for making green tea, and the tea powder is usually on the table for free.
Yes, exactly.
By the way, one common problem when traveling to Japan is having trouble sleeping because of jet lag or long flight. Manta Sleep can help. They make some of the best sleep masks in the industry. They are super comfortable and breathable. I personally use one at home because they are so comfortable. They also sell other sleep products like white noise machines. Everything on their website is 10% off right now if you use the link in the description and my coupon code NOMADICWEST, all caps, no spaces. If a regular sleep mask isn't enough for you, I really recommend checking out their products. It's worth it. Now, here's another fun part of Japan's conveyor belt sushi. Sushi has a game called Bikurapon.
So I think we are this guy.
Every time you finish 5 plates, you slide them into a slot at your table. A random game appears on the screen, and the outcome is completely based on luck.
Oh, we lost.
Because of the game and how easy it is to grab new plates, be careful. It's super easy to order too much.
We have too much. Definitely too much.
No, I think we can do it.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
have to. We have to.
Yeah, we
because
have
we have
to.
to win the game. 1, 2.
Yes!
Oh, whoa, okay.
We won! Oh my god!
When you win, you get a prize capsule with a surprise item inside.
Yes.
Ta-da. It's like a button, right?
Kanpachi.
A kanpachi.
When you finish your meal, check out it's simple. At Sushi, you slide all your plates into the slot on your table. That's how the system counts the plates and calculates your total. Then bring the ticket you got at the entrance to the self-payment machine, and you're done. It's quick and easy, with no interaction with staff from entry to exit.
Did you like the sushi there?
Oh, it was very good.
Yeah?
Very good. And so cheap, unbelievable.
Yeah.
I don't know how they survive.
Naturally. It was less than 3,000 yen for 2. So it's like less than 10 euros for each.
Yeah, and if you go for sushi in Amsterdam, now you pay like 40 euros per person.
Yes.
As I mentioned at the beginning, conveyor belt sushi is usually the most affordable option in Japan, but the quality is great for the price. It's perfect if you just want a casual lunch or dinner. My Japan videos continue. Next up is another must-do activity, visiting a Japanese spa. Please subscribe so you don't miss upcoming videos, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you enjoyed it. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.